Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create flyers from templates on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and tap on the create button in the upper left corner of the screen. Go to the Start with the Templates section and tap on the Flyers button. Here you can find a bunch of templates that you can choose from. So tap on the relevant one and then you should wait a few seconds till it loads, and after that you can start customizing your flyer. So here you can find it. Tap on the relevant parts that you would like to replace with your own information. Here you can see, so just tap on it, delete, and type in your own text. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.